today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset or reinstall your Microsoft Store application on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left side, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says system components. And then over here on the right where it says search system components, search for Microsoft Store. And you may just need to go down this list. You might not even have to search for it. And select the three-dot icon next to it, and then select advanced options. Scrolling down again, select under reset where it says if this system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data won't be affected. Select repair and give that a moment. And then I would close out of here and then attempt to reopen the Microsoft Store and see if you are good to go. If not, you can come back in here and then select the second option where if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. You can select reset, and this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset, give it a moment, and then once that's done, I would suggest actually restarting your computer at this time, and then attempt to open up the Microsoft Store, and hopefully you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.